Namaste people, I am Anmol Sarkar. So if you guys have seen my introductory video, you guys must have an idea about who I am and what I am trying to do and what this channel is all about. So basically, uh, I am going to just start a new series, which is the Breaking India series. I'll also tell you the reason why I'm starting this series, because if you have seen my videos, you would have understood that my channel is all regarding analysis and interpretations of the current scenarios, current political, geopolitical scenarios in this going on in this country. But um, for the past few days, I have been quite active on social media. I have witnessed a lot of people who are unaware of what is happening in our country and where is it coming from. So to basically to make a foundation, I am going to start this series known as Breaking India. This Breaking India series will consist of 44 episodes, which will consist of where does our liberal movement and all the history from medieval history come to the modern history. So the source of this Breaking India series will be this book known as Breaking India, which is written by Shri Rajiv Malhotra ji. This is a very insightful book, and my journey to politics has started from this book only. So if you want to know my political affiliations, I am neither left wing nor right wing. My political affiliation is center right. My affiliation will change depending on the situation, from which positions to take, which stands to make in which particular situation, from center right to hard right. So I belong to this entire spectrum of center to right, because I don't believe that every situation requires hard right approach or center right approach. So depending on situations, we will analyze the situation and we will know that why are we using such approaches to this country. Basically, I am a staunch nationalist by my political affiliations. So anything which goes across this country, which goes against this country, I am completely against it. So basically, I don't subscribe to any foreign ideologies such as Marx, Mao, Lenin and stuff. I only subscribe to those ideologies which have originated from the soil of India, such as Buddhism, Jainism, Hinduism, Sikhism, all those philosophies and the what we say, the stories and the inspirations from all those different cultures which has originated from India. And I this series is especially for those people who subscribe to liberal ideologies without having any prerequisite knowledge of how harmful these left ideologies and liberal ideologies, Marx, Mao, Lenin and things as such, and how they use political narratives such as feminism, equality, gender politics to destabilize our country. So basically, in my college, I was a hardcore leftist. To tell you guys, I also believed in equality, women's rights, etc., etc. But when I started opening myself to possibilities and when I started to see the other side of the picture, I realized many things. But the basic realization was that I am against all these foreign ideologies, may it be anything, may it be Islam, may it be Christianity, or may it be any left ideology such as Marx, Marx, Mao, Lenin and etc. Okay, so to make the foundation very solid, I have used this Breaking India as a source of all this series, and I will divide this series into 43 or 44 episodes, and then we will cover from Max Miller to the current political situation, where how these leftist historians invaded our cultural and political landscape and how they are destroying this country. So if you wish to see more such videos, please like, subscribe my channel on my YouTube, which is named as Straight Talk. So I'll get encouraged to make more such videos, and please share this video so that I can make more such videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.